everyone, it's Safira. Today I'm unboxing a package from Fairy Wish. Fairy Wish is an independent Lolita brand designed by Alice Kobayashi. Fairy Wish has a physical shop in Yamanashi Prefecture. It also has an online shop. I've ordered 2 items which are partly bought with my own money and partly bought with a gift certificate that I received as payment for some modelling work that I did for the brand. I think Alice has also put some tea in there for me from her original tea brand. That's for me to do a review of later. So here's the box and let's open it. Oh, got to be careful. I always get scared opening these. Almost there. Okay, it's open. Okay, so the first thing that I see is there's a little clear file in here with some flyers in. Oh, lots of flyers. So this is for the physical shop that's in Yamanashi Prefecture. This is what the shop looks like down here. It's very sweet, isn't it, with that little red roof, or I should say a big red roof. So the actual name of the shop is Fushigi no Mori no Youhinten. So it's actually a select shop, so it doesn't just have Fairy Wish items, it also has all of these. So Fairy Wish, Seraphim, Physical Drop, that's the brand that belongs to the former Metamorphose designer. So this is the inside of the shop, this is the designer, and this is a little about section about her. Okay, so I will start with the items that I ordered myself. Oh, okay. Looks cute. Sorry, it's very noisy. Okay. Oh, look. So this is a little crossbody bag with the Fairy Wish mascot on it, who is an antique teddy bear. It's very sweet. Look. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was, but that's good because that means I can fit more stuff in it. Oh, there's the tag with him on as well. It's got one popper here. And there's the strap. I don't think it's adjustable. No, it's not adjustable, but that's fine. You could always, you know, sew it or pin it or something if you needed to make it shorter. That's very sweet. It actually comes in 3 different colours, black, red and grey. And I thought the red one was very, very cute, but I thought the black one would be more useful, so I went for black. But I still kind of want all the other colours. So this is the other item that I ordered. This is a black satin underskirt with a tulle hem, tulle ruffle at the hem. And it's listed on the website as a petticoat, but really it's more of an underskirt because you can use it under your skirt or dress to change the look of it. And I thought it would be particularly useful for me because I'm tall. So if I need a bit of extra length, I can use this. And I'm going to try it with this dress in a minute. Again, there's the tag with the little bear. And the tulle is really lovely and soft, so it's not scratchy at all. And it actually comes in 2 lengths. So it comes in a 60 centimetre and 65 centimetre, and I got the longer one just because I thought I'm tall, so I might need the extra length. And it's much easier to make things shorter than it is to make them longer, isn't it? So I've just put on the underskirt and I'm really pleased with how it looks. I think it's the perfect length. Oops, it's got a bit of fluff on it. There we are. Yeah, it's just right. So I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of this. Oh, by the way, it would have been better if I'd ironed this, I know, I'm sorry about that. So here's the bag. It's very cute, isn't it? I think the length is just right too. And it's quite big, as you can see. You could probably, well, you can definitely fit your phone, your wallet, and probably a cosmetics bag as well. It's perfect. I'm really pleased. So this is the flyer for Alice's tea shop, or tea brand. It's called Chaba Komo, and it has an Instagram and an X, as does Fairy Wish, so I will link to those as well. So it seems like there are 3 different types of tea available: organic black tea, organic herbal tea, and flavoured tea. So let's see what tea she sent me. Okay, so this is an organic herbal tea, and the illustration looks like Snow White. Oh, that makes sense because the flavour is apple and ginger. That sounds very nice indeed. I really like ginger tea. It's very warming. I'm looking forward to trying that. And she's also sent organic Darjeeling. Darjeeling's a very, sort of goes with everything tea, isn't it? And that's a very sweet picture on the front. It looks like Alice Liddell having a tea party with a teddy bear. It's really cute. So I can't wait to try both of those. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. It's the first one I've done. Hope it went all right. And look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.